Hey everyone, let's get started. In today's session, we'll discuss about a new problem statement, which is removal of duplicate values from already existing string, whichever we are considering. So we'll write the boilerplate over here. So import, which is necessary. Without the boilerplate, we wouldn't be able to implement all the code. So import java.util.star, public class main, and then public static void main is all under this boilerplate code, after which we'll take the input. So we'll ask for the scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So with the scanner we'll ask for all the input necessary in this current problem statement. So let's think about it, how we are going to remove the duplicate values for a second, and then we'll continue with the problem statement. So here we go. Once we take the input value, we'll ask for the string whichever we are going to work on. Let's just consider it as an input. So string input is equal to sc.nextInt, and then as this is string, we won't be asking for next int, rather it's just next because this is string. So we'll take a loop. Because of this, we'll be iterating all over the string. So this loop would work from 0 till the length of the string, which is input.length. So after iterating through the whole string, we'll ask for each and every value by using character at. We'll store that character at in ch, which is of type character again. So character ch is equal to whatever the input we are taking. So input dot, this is a string, right? Input dot, how we are going to consider this. So all the value we are going to store in ch value. So input dot character at I. So the loop which we are considering from 0 to input dot length, all the values would be checked here. So once considering each and every character, where we are going to use it now, we are going to check it and store it in an hash map. So how we are going to declare a hash map? Hash map, we are going to consider two of the parameters in it, which are character and integer. So one would be a character and the other integer, which will be storing the count here. So how many times it is going to get repeated. So if it is more than one, then we'll be removing through our result value. So the hash map of character and integer key value pairs, which is we have considered as hm, and equal to new hash map, that is the genuine syntax for this. So once we have taken the loop and then each and every character, we are going to consider this character, each and every character, in hash map itself, as I said earlier. So what we are going to do, first we are going to add it into the hash map, and how many times it is going to get repeated, we'll be identifying it using get or default. Let me explain it clearly what is get or default over here. So I'll consider an example 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. So here 1 2 3 has been repeated twice, so we'll be adding 1. The ch value here is 1 in the string input, and the hm get or default will be storing as 1 itself, because that has been repeated till once itself. And then 2, it is also repeated just once, it's not repeated twice. And then 3, it's also repeated once. And then 4, repeated once. And then 5, repeated once. Again 1 2 3, these are repeated the second time, so we are going to add +1 to the current count. So the 1 2 3 would be twice, and 4 5 is just once. So what we are going to do is, we have got the count right. By using this count all over again, we are going to remove it. So the repeated values, which are 1 2 3, we are going to remove these values. How we are going to do this? So now we are going to use a string builder. Let's just say, because the string builder plays a major key role, because we are going to store the 4 5 values which are not repeated in the string builder itself. You just consider result of type string builder, and then I'll consider a loop. So whatever we are going to take input as string, or str, whatever the string which we are considering here, in our case it's input, right? So by using this input string, again we'll be iterating from 0 to till the length of the string. All over again, we are going to check each and every character. So now what is our task is this each and every character in HM we have considered an hash map, right? So we are going to get the values hash map dot get of ch. So what we are going to get here, we are going to get the key value, whatever the keys value is present in our hash map, that is going to be given by this hash map dot get ch. So if it is 1, the 1 has been repeated twice, 2 which has been repeated twice, 3 which has been repeated twice. So all these values are been repeated twice, right? What we want, we just want which are non-repeated. We are going to remove the duplicate values. So what we are going to do is if this value hashmap.get of ch is equal to 1, then what we are going to do, if it is 1, it is not being repeated, we'll just add it in our string builder of type sb or result. You can take, let's just take result itself. So in the result I'm going to add all these values. If they are repeated, we just continue it, we are not going to print it whatsoever. So at last I'm just going to print the result value, which gives me just non-repeated values, which are, the whole string is of non-repeated. There are no duplicates in our current string. The output would be considered as non-duplicate. It wouldn't have any duplicate values in it. So here's the syntax. As I said, this get value will get us the value of the keys. So the key is ch. We just consider each and every character is our key value. So in our case, the input would be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, right? So that string is our input, and we are going to segregate it in each and every character, which we are going to check by using get. If the value of each and every key is 1, then I'm going to append it in our the result which I'm considering, which is res. As it is string builder, I'm using the method inbuilt function over here is append. So I'm going to append ch, and then at last I'm just going to print the res value, which would give me the non-duplicate values by removing all the duplicate values from the current string. And one more thing, this res is of type string builder, right? So to represent it in string, we are going to use again an inbuilt function, which is toString. So this toString helps us to convert from string builder to actual string rather than complicating things for us. So the file name and the class name must be same. Please note the mistakes and correct it. So as you can see, the repeated values are 1, 2, 3, and on the other hand also we have 1, 2, 3. The non-repeated are just 4 and 5.
Like, share and subscribe. Follow for more such content.